Okay, so another day, another trip back to a train station. This time we scored a last minute trip in a steam train that is period correct to the documentary. So we're going to try and include that. I've got to take all my gear, got to repack stuff again, and I've got to get the mini drone out just in case I get a shot at that. It's going to be an interesting day. Alright, we're just about to take off and looks like it's going to be a lovely filming day. Yeah, I think by the time we get there, we'll be on the other side of the rain band, hopefully. Alright, we're on the road. Does not look like it's going to be a good day for filming, but see how we go. Alright, the rain is clearing a little. We've got about an hour. See how this works out. Get in the way. Move over, you're in the way, somebody's film. Alright, probably going to miss this bit. Come on, Aussie, lift. Get us up there.
Concourse. Doors opening.
Alright, we're on track to get a good shot. The V-line's in the way now.
That's just driving through.
Alright, might get our view back. Steam train. Here we go. Alright, we got Apprentice on the camera.
Ladies and gentlemen, anyone heading towards Melbourne, it is on platform 2. Platform 2.
With this as well. Okay. Are you recording? Okay. We've got that. Let's do our time sync. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's get this. Before they took to the air, much of Victoria travelled by steam rail, including those young airmen going to 102U in Sale. Am I still recording? I'm not. Okay, now we're going to get somebody in the back.
Sorry.
That's alright. I got 20 seconds of script and I'm good. So good.
Just 20 seconds.
Okay, now, got your head in frame?
Yep.
Cool. Train in the background?
Actually,
Yeah, go.
I'm changing my pose to here.
That's right, thank you. In wartime Victoria, much of Victoria travelled by steam, including the young airmen who travelled to 102U in East Sale. I've screwed that up. In wartime Victoria, much of Victoria travelled by steam, including the young airmen that went to 102U in West Sale. With the help of Steam Rail Victoria today, we're going to walk in their footsteps, following the first leg of our journey by steam rail. Alright, go.
I got B-roll.
Ladies and gentlemen, you'll have your Melbourne bound service on platform 2.
Train 2.
Here we go. Alright, found a spot.
In about. That's a good question.
Find a seat. atypical of young aircrew travelling to one OTU. We're travelling in first class today, but we decided we wanted some comfortable seats. Alright, we got our B-roll, and now we're just waiting on a return train to get back to the vehicle, and we'll be back on our way. $50 for 10 minutes, but it was fun 10 minutes. There's some people out here having a bit of a good time with the beer bottles too. Right, return trip is just a little bit quicker than a steam train. Like a lot quicker. Okay, B-roll filming complete. We're gonna head home. Alright, we're back at the junk pile that is my desk, downloading yet more footage with a cuppa. Alright, there'll obviously be more in the behind the scenes, so that'll be where you'll find this.